Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell XPS 15. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dell XPS 15 won't turn on, you're not alone. This issue can occur for several reasons, including a dead battery, faulty power adapter, or internal hardware failure. If left unresolved, it could lead to further damage, making the repair process more complicated and costly. To start the repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement battery or power adapter, depending on your diagnosis. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Use the plastic opening tool to carefully pry open the back cover of the Dell XPS 15. Be cautious not to damage the clips as you work your way around the edges. Once the back cover is removed, you'll see the battery and other internal components. Check if the battery is swollen or damaged. If it is, you will need to replace it. If you suspect the power adapter, you can test it with a multimeter to ensure it's delivering the correct voltage. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, if you need to remove the battery, locate the screw securing it in place, typically using a Phillips screwdriver. Make sure to apply gentle force to avoid stripping the screws. Carefully disconnect any cables attached to the battery, noting their position for reassembly later. If you're replacing the power adapter, ensure you disconnect it from the motherboard as well. Take your time to avoid damaging nearby components. Once you have replaced the faulty component, reconnect any cables and replace the screws. Gently press the back cover back onto the laptop, ensuring all clips snap into place. Before sealing it completely, connect the power adapter and turn on the laptop to check if it powers up. If it does, congratulations! You've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from happening again, make sure to keep your laptop clean and avoid overcharging. Regularly check the health of your battery and power adapter. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.